So I'm going to be showing you how to add a calendar widget to the cover screen of your Galaxy Z Flip 7. So we're going to go to the main settings, and then under the main settings page, scroll down to cover screen, tap on that, and then go to widgets. And then let's add a new widget. Okay, so you can add a widget to any page. So I'm going to go and add calendar. So let me look for the calendar option. Here it is. So we have very many calendar widgets. So my favorite is this one because it shows the calendar and some upcoming events. So I'm going to select that, and it's going to get added because it's very big. It's going to get added on its own new page. And then once that is done, I can now close this. And then I can now customize the calendar. So I can remove the background, okay, just like that. And then I can choose which calendar to show. I can choose whether I want it in light mode or dark mode, or I want it to match the font setting. And then I can also adjust the transparency to make it more opaque this way and make it more transparent this way. Okay. And then I can tap on save. All right. So simple as that. So now when you go to your cover screen, we should have a calendar widget somewhere. There you go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.